Mommy, what's that?
That's a robot.
Eat that ball, get the food.
What you reading, Dylan?
Get the peach. You better have the peach.
Yeah. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. You gonna read to Mommy?
No.
No.
No, B. No, open. In a body book.
The book?
Oh, no. It's so cool. Go. 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 Cookie. Cookie.
Cookie? Well, yes, it is a cookie. It's Cookie Bot.
No. No cookie. Eat that better.
Okay, Dylan. Can you say goodnight to Grandma? Good night, Grandma. You're so sweet. All right. We love you. Bye.